Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jan and welcome to your channel Jan as Mommy. In today's video, we are going to see about a makeover of a living room of my mom's home. Let's get started. This is my mom's home and this is the entrance of the home. The first thing we can see the living room. It's a quite bigger one. My mom always keep it very decorated and very traditional as well. This living room is loaded with a lot of colors, a lot of paintings. You can see canvas painting and traditional Tanjore paintings. I have planned to give a new look to this living room. If you change the arrangements of the furniture, any room in your home will get a new look. Here I have planned to do some furniture rearrangements. And also I'm going to replace the sofa covers, the curtains and dining table cover. Here I am giving a 360-degree view of the living room. Let's see what are all the changes I have done. As the living room is quite bigger size, we have two sofa sets. One is the wooden set and the other one is leather set. The one which you are seeing is the wooden sofa set and we have a chandelier in the center. This is Tanjore painting of Abhirami goddess. I'm going to move this Tanjore painting to the wall as I feel this is occupying a little bit of space. I'm also going to move this canvas painting to the left. And I'm going to keep a wooden shelf just below the Tanjore painting to hold diyas. For that I have got a wooden piece from a nearby wooden shop and I painted it with golden color. With the help of electrician, we have fixed the goddess to the wall and a shelf just below the Tanjore painting and also moved the canvas painting a little bit. Now I could see some more space over there. Also the space looks neat. Next to that we have a TV from MI which is 55-inch and it's best for this big living room. And on top of it we have a long shelf to hold shields and awards. Next to that, there is a wonderful painting which was painted by me. This was painted 15 years back. It's a canvas painting with a girl on a dancing pose. Then we have a long traditional brass diya. And there is a book which is kept on a book holder. My parents read a lot of spiritual books. So they always keep a book over it. Next to this is a sofa set and it is a leather sofa set. I am going to do a changes to the arrangements of this sofa and also going to change the sofa covers. Next we have a very small bookshelf which holds a lot of books and a DIY flower vase. Let's see how I have made this DIY flower vase. For that I have spray painted a cardboard with black color. Once it is dried, I am going to stick some silver foils over it. Using a normal glue, I have sticked the silver foil onto the cardboard. You can make any designs of your choice. This is a very simple DIY. I have just pasted long cut silver foils onto the cardboard. I have pasted one strip on the bottom and one on the top. Then I am going to paste some small pieces of silver foils into the bottom part. That's it, a very cute long flower vase is ready. I'm going to add some crushed and rolled papers into the flower vase to give some stability and weight. After that I will be adding some flowers. These flowers were already there. So I have added these flowers to this long flower vase and it suits really well. Next on top of the bookshelf we have another wonderful painting. This painting was also painted by me when I was 15 years old. It's a canvas painting with a lot of colors. Next we have one computer table and it's my dad's corner and he will be using this table. This table is also used by us for working. It has all my dad's stuff like contact book. My dad is a big fan of lyricist Vairamuthu. He loved these lines, so he has kept it in a wooden board. My daughter is also using this table for preparing her Olympiad exams. And next to this we have a fridge. And there are two entrances. One is the entrance of the room and other one is the entrance of the kitchen. I'm going to change the curtains of these entrances. On top of the fridge we have one award, and it is the award for my dad. It's the Best Teacher Award, a very precious award given by the state government of Tamil Nadu. And next to that we have a kitchen entrance, and on one side we have a dining table, and I'm going to spread a new sheet for this dining table. And next to the dining table there is another wonderful painting. It is also a Tanjore painting. That's it about the 360-degree view of the living room. Now let's begin with the makeovers. First I began with changing the arrangements of the leather sofa set. I don't want to hide this wonderful rangoli, so I have moved in such a way the rangoli is not hidden. Then I'm going to change the sofa covers. This is the one which I have got from Theni Ganapati Silks. It's a 10-piece set sofa covers. The price of this is rupees 1500. There are wide range available with them starting from 800 rupees. Also got some ready-made curtains from them. The price of single piece of curtain is 300. These are long door curtains, and I'm going to replace the old curtains with this. I have added a carpet to give a good look. Now I'm going to change the curtains. If you feel your room is dull, just change the curtains with your favorite color and you will feel something fresh and you will feel excited. Yeah, the curtains are changed. Now I'm going to add a new sheet to the dining table. That's it about the living room makeover. After changing the arrangements of this sofa, and I feel it has given more space. And also this wonderful rangoli is visible. That's my mom's very colorful traditional living room. Hope you like this video. Give it a like. That's it about this video. I'll come up with another wonderful video. Until that, it's Jan signing off. And before that, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button to get more updates in the channel. Take care. Bye bye guys.